In this video, we create an assessment in Project ESG Reporting Preview. We want to report against CSRD, for which we'll need to create a few assessments. Under Assessments, you can create an assessment for CSRD or any other standard. Let me walk you through creating an assessment first, and then we can start responding to CSRD requirements. To create an assessment, select New, specify the assessment name, and choose the standard for which you want to create the assessment. Select CSRD and choose 2022 as the reporting range. Then, simply save and close. This way, you can create multiple assessments for the same standard or for different standards, depending on your needs. Now, let's pick CSRD Assessment 2023 and go to the Requirements tab to review all the requirements. Here, you can see all the requirements along with their descriptions. You can drill down into more granular details if needed. For example, if you look at ESRS and explore a specific requirement like E1648A, you'll find it asks organizations to disclose their gross scope and emissions. We also have a materiality flag feature that helps you identify and classify which requirements are most relevant to your organization. To mark a requirement as material, simply select the three dots and mark the requirement as material. The materiality flag will then change from No to Yes. Now you can focus on the requirements that are relevant to your organization and start responding to them effectively. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links for more information and join the conversation on our social media pages.